let's learn the kilted shuffle. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 2-wall, beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the optional ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn the kilted shuffle. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and then we're going to do a triple in place, stepping right next to left, left next to right, right next to left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and we're going to do a triple in place, stepping your left next to your right, step your right next to your left, step your left next to your right, ending that section with your weight on your left foot. So let's try that with some counts, rocking to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to point our right toe forward, point our right toe to the right side, and then we're going to triple in place, stepping our right next to our left, left next to right, right next to left. We're now going to point our left toe forward, point our left toe to the left side, and then we're going to do a triple in place, stepping left next to right, right next to left, left next to right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your points. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock, and then you're going to shuffle forward with your right, stepping right, forward, left together, right, forward. You're now going to step forward with your left foot, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to return to 12 o'clock, and then shuffle with your left, stepping left, forward, right together, left, forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your step half pivot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, if you are somebody that does not want to do all the turns, you can substitute that with a rock, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, if you would like to take out those turns. Section 4, we're going to do 2 quarter pivots. So you're going to step forward with your right foot, make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're going to repeat that, step forward with your right, do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 6 o'clock. Now, the last 4 counts of this dance are up to you. It is to have fun. It is the part in the song when it will say, everybody dance now. You can do whatever you would like for the last 4 counts. You can do single hip bumps, double hip bumps. You can hop and shake it. You could do a full paddle around. You can do disco fingers, roll your hands. It doesn't matter. As long as you end that last 4th count with your weight on your left foot, ready to start the dance over again, that last 4 counts, you are able to do whatever makes your heart happy and makes you have fun doing this dance. And that is the end of the dance. When we do the walkthrough of that section, I'm just going to randomly do motions. Whatever you choose to do, it's 4 counts. It could be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, or and 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever it is, but you have 4 full counts to kind of have some fun. You could dance with the people next to you, whatever you would like to do, that is your choice. So now let's face the front. We're going to do that section with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your 2 quarter pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever you would like to do. So now, let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with that rock to the right. So it's rock, recover, triple step, rock, recover, triple step, point forward, side, triple step, point forward, side, triple step, step half pivot, shuffle forward, step half pivot, shuffle forward, step quarter pivot, do what makes you happy for 4 counts. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, rocking to the right. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, your final wall will end facing 6 o'clock. If you are somebody that likes to end facing the front, I did put in an optional ending. You don't have to. If you forget, it doesn't matter. We're all just here to have fun with this dance. But if you would like to end facing the front, What you're going to use is that fourth count of the dance to turn a half. So if you're doing hip bumps or whatever you're doing, you would do 1, 2, 3, and then you would put your weight on your left and turn a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping to the right, and you can pose however you want. Bring it up, hands on the hip, big arms, whatever you would like to do to end the dance. However you end it to end facing the front, that's fine too. If you forget and you want to end the front and then you hear that ending and you just turn to the front, that is okay too. That choice is yours. This dance is just about having fun and enjoying yourself. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance so that you can practice how it flows. Starting with your rock to the right, it's side rock. Recover, triple step, side rock. Recover, triple step, point forward. Side, triple step, point forward. Side, triple step, step half pivot, shuffle forward. Step half pivot, shuffle forward. Step quarter pivot, step quarter pivot. Now shake. Now start over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side rock, recover, triple step, side rock, recover, triple step, point forward, side, triple step, point forward, side, triple step, step half pivot, shuffle forward, step half pivot, shuffle forward, step quarter pivot, do what you would like. Now rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn the kilted shuffle. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.